Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, and today we're going to view an L550 Sea Ray. This is a 2018 beautiful boat, got a nice colored hull you'll see in the photographs, lots of great features. Let's start out taking a look at this dunnage box. Look at how big that is, how deep it is, all that storage space that we have in there, and very easy access to this big hydraulic swim platform. Right now the owner has a jet ski on here, but you could put a tender or anything else. You'll also notice this has the stairs that deploy down in the water as you put the swim platform down. As you know, these platforms are really designed to carry a boat, not necessarily to be swimming and playing. Big seating area here in the back, beautiful polished finished table, as well as the Sure Shade to give us plenty of shade back here in the back. Also notice the teak all the way through the boat, makes it really nice. Here in the back we've got a little bar area with a isotherm fridge, and then of course my favorite, the Kenyon grill right out here on the back deck. You'll also notice that this has the sliding doors that go all the way across so that you can close her up if you want to, or open it all the way up like a lanai for great entertaining here in the aft cockpit. And look at how big this aft cockpit is. Notice how much seating there is, great access to the forward deck to get up to the sun pads. And then as we walk into the cabin, you're going to notice this has the galley aft. One of the benefits of that obviously is for entertaining, cooking, and doing the things that you want to do. You've got access right out here to the back deck. Really nice. You've got a dual icebox freezer. So lots of great storage, great cabinet for the microwave, and this is a Cuisinart, so this is also a convection oven as well. Great visibility out of these big windows. Your master distribution panel, wine chiller, and look at the great storage area that we have for the china, Sea Ray china, as well as items for the cockpit. You'll also notice the TV is hidden, and it'll raise up for the cockpit here so that you can watch those football games, well, if we play football, and or any of the entertainment that you might want to watch. This boat is equipped with satellite TV, so you've got access to that as well. Big salon area, couch makes into a sleeping area, and you'll also notice that these ottomans, they'll flip over and make a table one way, a cushion another way. A couple of bar stools here for quick meals. And then as we swing around, you've got another little settee here on the starboard side. Again, opening all this up to that great area outside. You'll also notice one of the nice things with the 550 is that you've got the sky roof here so that you can open it up and enjoy the outside much like you would in a traditional express style boat. Also has a window over here on the other side that you can open and close for ventilation, as well as if you're pulling into a dock to check in. Notice full complement of Ray Marine equipment, including the autopilot there in the center. This boat is powered by the Caterpillar diesels, Cat's maintain system here, and as you can see, just under 200 hours. This boat, even though it's shaft drive, does have the joystick, so it makes for the easy docking and maneuvering like you would with any joystick style boat. So as we walk downstairs, nice walkway down to the staterooms, and you'll also notice big open area in the windows so that you're not walking down into the cave. So on the starboard side, we've got twin beds that'll pull together to make a full-size bed. Nice big storage closet here on the other side, drawers, and the TV set as well. So we've got our main head right here. Nice big full-size shower. So this gives us access for our head for the day use, as also for the side guest stateroom and this beautiful VIP stateroom as well. Big windows, got a hatch up here of course, as well as another hang-up closet on the starboard side, TV hooked up to the satellite, and another full closet over on this side. Then you've got access, Jack and Jill style, to the head from this side, and the nice big shower here in the guest area. As we walk back towards the master stateroom, again, we've got a nice access and a nice door so that you can close this off for privacy. And then one of the Sea Ray trademarks, we've got a nice master head right here in the front of the stateroom. Easy to get to. And of course your vacuum flush style potties. Nice big shower with the rain shower head, as well as a regular head there in the shower as well. Beautiful styling with the sink, full mirror, window access. Then as we step down into the master stateroom, nice full-size bed. This bed goes all the way caddy in the corner so that you've got nice big walk-around space everywhere here in the stateroom. Hang-up locker, TV again hooked up to the direct TV, and then under here is our washer dryer. And these are not stack units, these are really nice full-size washer dryers. Notice back here you got a little settee, as well as a little storage area, and of course the drawers here in the cabinet. Nice big full-size windows, so when you get up in the morning you got a great view outside of the stateroom as well. So as we head back up towards the cockpit area, again we just step up here. You'll also notice that these beautiful stiff helm seats can turn around so that they can be used as part of the conversation area here in the boat. And look at that view out the back. So as we step back down, one last feature to show you as we go forward. Nice easy access to the front. You'll notice the tow rail on the side so that you got plenty of space. And then as you walk towards the front, nice sitting area up here with seating, cushions forward. Of course our anchor windlass up on the bow. And look at how beautiful that tower and all that gear is up on top. This also has the FLIR night vision unit on it as well. Very well pointed, very well loaded out. L550 Sea Ray, less than 200 hours. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call, let's set up an appointment to take a look at this beauty. We can have you boating and enjoying this summer here in Florida or anywhere in the country that you want to go.